Yum. So we're just going to start with adding in our chili. Straight in our hot pan. And then we're going to add in our pork. Just give that a good stir around. Add in a splash of our Chinese wine. Give all that a mix around again. And to that, I'm just going to add in some Sichuan pepper, the Chinese 5 spice, a bit of soy sauce. Just give all that another mix around. And we're not trying for this to be saucy, so we really want to cook this down and make sure it's all covered. The saucy bit will come next. Now we're just going to add in the noodles. Into our sauce we're going to add sesame seed oil, about 2 tablespoons. We're going to add chili flakes, some minced garlic, add in our soy sauce, Sichuan chili oil, about 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add in a bit of dark soy. And I also like to add in a bit of white sugar. And always great with noodles is a bit of traditional Chinese vinegar, about 1.5 tablespoons. And now we just want to whisk that. And that's our sauce. Just going to add in the noodles. They're just so freshly cooked. Going to add in our Szechuan sauce. And of course, our meat. It's a lovely pork. Smells amazing. You really need to try this. Absolutely perfect recipe. I always like to finish mine off with a bit of freshly cut peanuts.